Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to writing a program of swiping two number in Python. First of all, we need to understand what does means swapping. Swapping is nothing but it is the interchange of digit. For example, if we take a number, if we take a number, first number two and second number is five. So before swapping, the number is this. After swapping, the number will be like this. Basically, what we have done, I have just only reversed the place of digit. Initially, the place of 5 is on. The place of 5 is at one's place, and the place of 2 is at 10th place. But after swapping, the places of digit are interchanged. This is a logic and this is called a swapping of a number. Now we are going to writing their programs, how we write the programs of swapping of two numbers. It's not a very big task, right? It's simple. First of all, we have to take, let's say you want to swap the two number, right? Firstly, you have to declare the number. Yeah, you have to given the input. User Firstly, users can enter number according to their needs. So for that, we have to make for two numbers, we have to make two variable. Let's a is equal to, and we take number as an integer type. So we use int data type, and we are using input functions because users are input the number. Then we print the text that is enter first number. Okay, and we are taking another variable p. This is also integer types, and we using input function to enter second number. So we have to write enter second number. I hope you don't have any dot till this positions because I have done only the two step of the coding. It's very simple and it's initial steps of writing any programs. If you are talking of any numbers, so you have to just user input their number. How they input the number? By the help of this code. When you uh, write this code in this, in its helps to user to enter a number. Okay, now we are using print functions, right? What we have done before swapping, that we will write before swapping. I have declared a string a equal to, and we have to close this with the double quotes, and this is a integer number, right? Second is b. Okay, and this is also an integer number. Done. Okay, now we have to perform the let me do some operation, that is a is equal to a plus b. Okay, and another a is equal to a minus b. A, it is a for b. All good. A is equal to a minus b. Again we will do. Then after we using again the print function, and we declare the statement after swapping. All good. Okay, we have to write this statement, It's similar like first one that I have a print function I have used and declared the text. Same things we have to copy it, not much more complicated. And till this we have done with our code. Now one thing has remained, that we have to run the code. Let me check. Enter first number takes 6. Enter second number 7. Now before swapping a is 6, b is 7. After swapping a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 6. That is the concept of swapping. I hope you all understood very well the logic, the code of this swapping numbers. Along with it, now I'm going to writing one more programs that are for multiplications of any number, right? So in this time we are writing a code for multiplications only. How we write the table. That in the main concept is how we write the table, right? Let's say if you want to output for table of 8, how we write the code so that the output will give the table of 8. So let's start. The things is very simple and not much more complicated. So without wasting time, we will starting. First of all, which type of table you want from which type of table user wants? Sevens tables, eights tables, nines tables. First of all, we have to input that number. So for that, you have to use a variable n for input the number. Obviously, it is an integer type, so int, and we use input function, and we print a text. You can write anything as your uh, convenience. Enter a number. Yes, obviously we are entering a number for what purpose? For table. We have to return this table also. Okay, this is our user define user for the users purpose. We declare this line of code so that users can able to enter any number that they want to a table. Now we will use print function. Okay, print function means to which type of table you want, means to say that you can write multiplications, multiples table. Yeah, you can write as like multiplication multiplication of any of table, multiplications of table. All right, in this way you can like in double quotes. All right, of multiplications of table of कोई भी n होगा वैल्यू उसको करली ब्रेसेस में we can write. I hope so you all understand what I want to say with for you. Now, basically, our table start from 1 to up to even infinity, but I restricted there. I want to only table 1 to 20. So, for this, we have to using for loop, for I and range. Okay, let's say 1 to 21, and the number will be the table will be run from 1 to 20 because the any loops can be run uh, before the end number. If there is a 21, the table can be printed up to 20, not 21. If we write here 22, the table can be goes till 21, not a 22 what I am entering their number. So always note this point in mind. Now we will print the functions, print and whatever I declared in x and initialize the loop I. Mm, okay, and increase with n into 1. I will be goes to 1 to 21 to 21 n into I. Here is a mistake. Here we will use comma not point. Now till ends all things will have okay. So now we are able to run this code, but I hope there is must be some error. Let me check. Yes. Now we are going to run it. Unexpected indentation. Okay. Okay, no problem. There is a indentations problem. All right. Now the things will fine. Let's say you want to know it's a 19 table and you can enter 19 tables is comes till 20. So here is needs some restriction. Okay. If I writing uh, 11, then it will goes to till 10. Let me check. Hey, where is 18 into the number? Why it's not showing 18s? 1 to 11. I. Okay. Table is printing from only 1 to 11 only. ठीक है. चलिए ठीक है. Where is table not showing here? There is some issue and this code and issue is what? Let me check first. For I in range 1 to 11, what I have needs print and I have declared I initialize. Everything is good. Let me run again. Enter table and what he has written enter number for table with base 10 invalid literals for the end with base 10. Okay, line 1 में कुछ गलत something is missing. 1 minute to check it. All things is has to be good. Let me run again. Yes, now the tables it's comes enter table for 8. I have entered the input 8 and the table of 8 has come BT for us. So this is in the table how we print the uh, table of any number with this code. I hope you understand well with our explanations. If you have any doubt, then you can comment me. I will reply as soon as possible. For today, now it's enough. Thank you.